Today we're going to start with a little bit of experiment. Which of these two eggs is hard-boiled? If you said the one that spins faster, you were right. Hard-boiled eggs are solid inside. In a raw egg, the liquid inside of the egg slides about and stops the egg from spinning faster. It's very helpful when your eggs get mixed up.
Dzień dobry. Welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. Today a very simple recipe. I want to show you how to cook hard-boiled eggs. You can use them with egg paste, you can just eat them by itself, you can put them on sandwich or add them to a soup. So let me show you how it's done.
First, wash the eggs in warm water just to make sure that there are no leftovers from the chicken. Then fill up a pot and make sure that almost all eggs are covered with water. Put them on a medium heat and just let them boil for about 15 minutes. Just make sure that the water doesn't boil out. So after about 15 minutes, put them quickly under cold water and then soak them in a icy bath. That will help you peel them later. So I usually keep them until the ice melts and then put them in the fridge. I use them on my sandwiches and with soups, like Żurek.
As you can see, cooking a hard-boiled egg is nothing hard. So please leave me your comments down below. For more tips and recipes from Polish Mama Cooks, please subscribe. Thank you for being with me today. Smaczengo and see you next time. Bye bye.